these are the advantages and disadvantages with applications of double linked list as well as circular linked list. So now see what are the advantages and disadvantages of double linked list. So it is possible to traverse in two direction. Either I can go to my forward direction or backward direction. In case if I am at 20th element or something, I can go to my first element with the help of previous pointer. In case if I am same at 20 position, I can go to my last node with the help of next node. Okay, so you can traverse in forward and backward directions. Next one is easier insertion and deletion operation. So when you try to insert an element or delete element, you just have to change the previous pointer as well as next pointer. You need not have to change anything or do anything. You need not traverse elements and you need not shift elements also. Okay, since you have to change only the pointer address and you need not do any increments or shifting elements to left or right like arrays like this. Okay, so next one, better navigation. That means you can move easily from first location to second location or from any locations. So the real-time example for navigation is, first one is browser history. For example, I am using Chrome. Okay, I try to use Chrome. So asked some B.Sc syllabus. Multiple websites are visible, right? So I selected one of them. Okay, after finishing seeing the syllabus, I came back. If I press the back button, where will I go? Will I go to my directly Chrome or the previous page? Here, right? I'll go here. After completion of this page, I'll go here. So what does that mean? So this last page is containing the address of my previous page. So I am easily trying to, or I am easily being able to traverse from one page to another page. Okay. Another one is TV channels. I've already said you this. If I am at channel 3, I can move to my second channel or I can move to my third channel also. Okay. So that the same thing in circular linked list is, after completion of my last, channel, I can again go to my first channel. So undo and redo operations. For example, you are using Microsoft Word or something. Okay, you are using MS Office. So you try to, you have given a line, but that line is wrong. What you will do? Control Z, right? You have to, undo the last operation, right? So you did that. Afterwards, if you try to add the same again, what you will do? Control Y, right? So it is also used since the last operation's address is contained by the present page. This is also double linked list application. Next one is dynamic memory allocation. For example, if I want to see before adding elements, I don't know how many elements I will be adding. I just have idea about 2 elements. Okay, so in, for example, double linked list, I have 3 parts. One is for previous, one is for data, one is for next. So it completely taking 6 bytes, for example, each 2 bytes. Okay, so each time I try to declare memory, I will just declare 6 bytes. So I will just declare 6 bytes. I won't declare more, because in case if I am declaring more than that 100 or something, I am using only around 36 or like that bytes. So the other memory is being wasted. So I don't want any memory wastage. That's why I'll use dynamic memory allocation with the concept MLOP. Okay. So what are the disadvantages of double linked list? Extra memory. See, in normal variables or array declaration, you just have to take a variable and store the elements in that index. So while accessing also A of 0, A of 1, like this, you will be accessing by increasing I value, right? But here, if you want to access elements, you just have to use the pointers. Okay, one element has to, has to take care of 2 pointers. So a node should have 1 data part as well as 2 pointers. For 2 bytes, I need 4 bytes. So extra memory is being used, and one more, pointers are more complex. So if you try to access pointers, okay, it's taking more time complexity. Okay. The next one is updating 2 pointers takes more complexity. Right? So if you try to delete an element from a linked list, what you will do? First you have to traverse, then go to that particular location, then see what is present in the previous of this deleted node. Then you have to change that. Again, I have to see the next to this deleted node. Then I have to change that. So these many times traversals for deleting a single node takes me so much of time. Okay. So these are the disadvantages of double linked list. Now we'll see the advantages of circular linked list. All the advantages of single linked list and double linked list are combinedly used for circular linked list. Okay. So what is circular linked list? Continuous traversal. After completion of my last node also, it won't be null. It won't stop there. It again can traverse to my first node. And no need to restart traversal. See, once after completion of my last node in double linked list, my last node's next part is containing null, right? So from that you can't go back again. Okay, you can't move to next element, or you can't move to first element from there. But here you need not restart the traversal and you can continuously make traversals. Okay. Next one, better memory utilization. Okay, so you need not use the null pointer. That means there is no stop for the traversal, right? So then you will be definitely using the memory well, right? So these are the advantages of circular linked list, and you can also include the advantages of double linked list and circular linked list, single linked list over here. And what are the disadvantages? It is more complex traversal because of the infinite loop. For example, if I have given an infinite loop without proper condition, it might go infinite and my program might crash, right? So this might happen. So what are the applications? It is also used in music loop. You keep on using Spotify or Geo7, something, this music apps, right? So you don't want to change to next all the time after completion of one song. Then you keep it as a loop. So after one song completion or one playlist completion, it goes to first again, right? And one more, it is also used in the games. These are all the advantages, disadvantages, and applications of double linked list and circular linked list. Okay. So I hope you all have liked my lectures, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Code with Laya. Please share it with your friends so that it would be helpful for them also. So in case if you need to give me any suggestions, please feel free to comment below. Thank you.